Alright guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I made a video. Today we're doing a little review of the Termitor LED lights, more precisely the H4 9003 HB2s form factor that pretty much fits the standard light bulb that comes with your Hyundai Tucson 2005, 2006, 2007, I believe in 2004 models, same model year basically. But yeah, so the connectors are exactly the same on the new bulb as on the old one. The new bulb has 4 LEDs, 2 on each side, and they are rather cool looking, if I say so myself. The material is some kind of feels like a composite plastic, but the plug is identical to what was in there originally. And so what basically happened is I swapped out the burnt out halogen light bulb with 2 new halogen light bulbs. Actually, no, just one of them, I'm sorry. And that was on the right side. And then a few days ago, the left side went out. So I'm like, you know what? Let me see what my options are online. And after doing a little bit of research, I came across these on Amazon. And they're on sale until, I'm not exactly sure when. Right now it's May 4th. And they were on sale, a pack of 2 for, I want to say $35, so about $17 a piece. And they looked interesting. They have over, I want to say over 4,000 reviews, and everybody seems to like them. They have over 4 stars, 4.5 stars, I think. So I figured let's give them a shot. And yeah, let's go and install this other one. I saw the left side one earlier, the driver's side in the US. If you're overseas, then probably the wrong side for you, but the driver's side over here. And we're about to do the right side, and then we're going to shoot some night shots and see what they look like. Alright guys, normal headlight setting. Ignore the check engine light. We know. Let's see. So that is on normal, not on high beam. Look at how bright that sucker is. Wow. Amazing. And then look at the old one, the halogen LED. That's the halogen one. YouTube, baby. We're doing the YouTube video right now. And that's the LED. Halogen LED. So I'm sure that you can see the difference, that one of them is a little bit brighter than the other. So we're about to put in the other one and then turn them on again and see what happens. Alright, so before we do the actual switcheroo, replacing out the right side, just to give you another shot of what it looks like, the color difference. So yeah, it's kind of yellow. And this is the LED one that got swapped out already. That's more white, as you can see. And against the white backdrop, the one we're about to replace is more yellow versus the one that already got replaced is more white. It's a cleaner white color. Not that there's anything wrong with halogens, but these are nice. I don't know. I like them. Cool. So yeah, we'll swap them out and get you another shot and go from there. Wow, if I say so myself, that is freaking bright. Definitely brighter than it was before. Super bright. So now we got the matching colors on both sides. Perfect. If I say so myself. Next order of business is going to be to replace this on both sides. But for now, whatever. Enough fun for one day, right? Cool. So, let's turn the bad boy around and give you the whole different angle of how it looks pointing it down the driveway. Alright, so here's another shot with both light bulbs replaced. Woo, I like it. That is at least 20 to 30 feet. Maybe not 30 exactly, but 20 something for sure. And it's straight down, illuminating. And the other one, same thing, no flickering. Beautiful light, wow. So that's the regular beam. And let's see what the high beam looks like. It's a freaking helicopter. Yeah. So yeah, look at that. Regular high beam. Wow. I don't know. I for sure noticed a difference. Hopefully you guys did too. Thanks for watching. Dub and Mighty, Vox signing out. Peace.